Today, we are looking at how to make money online without breaking a sweat. So whether you are a stay-home parent, whether you are a student, whether you're a side hustle seeker, or just someone looking to make extra money this Christmas period in 2025 and beyond, then this video is for you. So in this video, we are going to consider 10 laziest ways to make money. Guys, please, no matter what you do, try to listen to the bonus part. You can skip to the end of this video where I have added 2 bonus ideas. Now let's kick off with paid online surveys. Did you know that you can earn money by taking surveys online? Let's look at how to go about it. The first step to this is to sign up on survey platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or even Toluna. I just started this side hustle and I'm beginning to see the benefit. Now, once you sign up, please don't be in a hurry. Take your time to answer the questions and earn points or money or even vouchers. Now, the trick to this is you can answer these questions while you're watching something on Netflix or while you're just doing your YouTube. Moving on to the next idea on our list. Did you know that you could also be paid for watching videos online? Now let's look at the platforms that actually pay you to watch videos on their sites. Head over to platforms like Inbox Dollars or even Swagbucks. They pay you to watch short videos, trailers, or even advertisements. You earn points or you earn money. Now, the good thing about watching videos is you have an array of videos to choose from. So just keep the videos playing and the money will keep rolling in. Third one we want to look at is cashback apps. Now, sometimes I say to myself, I'm just spending £30 or £40. So why should I want a cashback? But 3 months ago, we decided to start activating our cashbacks. And since we have been shopping at Aldi, on some days we get 50 pence, on some days we get 30 pence cashback. So imagine getting 50 pence cashback 20 times in a year. That gives you £10 already. So while that might not be a lot, that would go a long way to help. Now, if you are interested in these cashbacks, you can check platforms like Rakuten, iButter, and even Honey if you're interested in getting cashback. So this is like getting paid to shop. So why not get cashback while you shop? Moving on to another simple one that every one of us can do: selling photographs and videos online. If you have a smartphone, then you have no excuse. Just anyone can do this business. You can head to platforms like Shutterstock or even Foap to sell your pictures. You can also upload your pictures on Adobe, and for every time someone downloads or uses your picture, you earn a fraction. So here is a pro tip. Make sure you list a lot of pictures and videos so that the chances of your picture or videos being downloaded would be high. Selling photos online is actually a lazy way to make money because you're just taking photographs of things you love, photographs of your activities, and you're making money from it. Moving on to the 5th one on our list. Guys, did you know you can make money from renting out items that you don't use? So if you have things like digital camera, if you have things like party decorations, if you have furniture, if you have props and sets, and you're not using them, guys, rent them out and start making money from them. You can check platforms like Fat Llama to rent out things like digital cameras or even editing gadgets. Now you can also check platforms like Turo so you can rent out your cars when you're not using your car, or when you are out of town, or when you are abroad, or when you are offshore. And if you even have a spare space in your flat, why not rent it out? And if you have storage space, rent out storage space to people and see how you start making passive income today. Now we are moving on to affiliate marketing. I know a lot of people would say this is not the easiest, but guys, this is one of the laziest ways to make money online if you are being smart about it. And we shall deal with this extensively today. So with affiliate marketing, you can market the goods and services of other people and get paid for every sale or lead generated as a result of your advertising efforts. One of the most popular ones for beginners, I would recommend Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate. Now, the second one is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. Now, under CJ Affiliate, you could find a whole lot of niche affiliate marketing companies. Also, you could join Fiverr Affiliate, you could join Sparkloop and Beehive if you are into newsletters. That's another way to make money, and that's something we're going to discuss on another day in another video. Now, for affiliate marketing, set it up once and let the commission flow. And if you want more money, you can double your advertising efforts. So let's look at selling digital products. I know a lot of people make this sound so difficult, but this is one of the easiest and laziest ways to make money online. You can start selling digital products. Now, guys, remember Canva has a free plan, and on this free Canva plan, there's also Canva AI. Now, play around with these things, take your time, generate designs. You have nothing to lose. Then you can sell these designs online. Also, if you're looking for where to sell your designs, you can set up an Etsy shop. Remember, it is free to set up an Etsy shop. And if you think Etsy is a bit small for you, you could try Shopify. Now, Shopify has a trial period. So you can set up a Shopify store. You could create digital Christmas cards, for example. You could create digital weight loss menu, for example. You could create JPEG. You could create wall art papers. You could create patterns and crochet design, all in digital forms. So these are all digital products that you can sell. Another digital product that people also neglect is ebook publishing. Now, remember, we said wait till the end, and we're going to be dealing with ebook publishing extensively, and you are going to be publishing your own very first book in less than 24 hours and start earning your first royalty in 48 hours. Everything we've mentioned are actually free plans, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. So create those digital products and let the selling begin. Now, as we draw to the end, it seems to be getting a little bit harder. We are going to be looking at dropshipping. If you would love to start an e-commerce business and you don't want to deal with inventory and delivery and all the risks that come with manufacturing and staffing, then you can consider dropshipping. So for dropshipping, you can set up your store on Shopify or on WooCommerce. The next thing you want to do is to partner with suppliers like AliExpress. And now with so much artificial intelligence, you can automate your orders and let your distributors do the heavy lifting for you. Moving on to number 9 on our list, we have micro investing apps. And turn your little spare change into investment. Now you don't need to have thousands and hundreds of dollars or pounds or naira or rands to start investing. Even if you had just 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, or even if you had just 50 rands or 100 rands, you can start investing. You can invest with as little as £5. Now let's look at some apps where you can invest your spare change. So you can download apps like Acons, Stash, or even Robinhood and start investing from as little as $5 and let your money trickle in passive income for you over time. This is one of the laziest way, because you set it and you forget it and you keep getting dividends on your investments. Now to the final one on our list, which is one of the easiest ones: get paid to listen to music. So let's quickly look at the sites where you are actually paid to listen to music. So you can sign up on platforms like Slice the Pie or even Music X-Ray. You get paid to listen to music. So it doesn't just stop at listening. Once you've listened to this music, you get to review the song or the playlist. Then you earn for every review made. So if you are a music lover, again, you have no excuse. This is for you. If you have a mobile phone, why not start your journey today? So I'm going to be speaking about 2 other ways to make money online. I've been doing them extensively this year and I am happy I am doing them. So the first one we want to look at is book publishing. Guys, start publishing ebooks on Amazon. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money. Even if you're making just £20 or $20 in a month, it is yours and that's some money. Guys, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. If you are looking for inspiration, now here is how I enter my commands to ChatGPT. I tell ChatGPT what I want to see in my story, the scene, the characters, the year, the tone, the voice, and where I want to publish the book. And ChatGPT comes up with stories which I copy and paste in my Microsoft Word, and I edit them. I turn this into ebooks. The next thing you want to do is to head over to www.kdp.com, sign up and create a Kindle account. The next thing you want to do on your dashboard is to press create. Hit create and you can start publishing your very first ebook. Now, moving on to the last one we want to speak about today. You need to join Temu affiliate. Guys, I'm about to withdraw my first £20 from Temu through PayPal. So I joined Temu affiliate about 6 weeks ago, and I took my time to market the affiliate links, and I also marketed some products. So far, I have earned £29, 20.50 of which has been cleared, and I'm about to withdraw, which I'm also sharing my screen with you. And because I have seen this today, I am going to be putting more effort. So guys, I have put my Temu link in the description. Please hit on that link today. You have nothing to lose. Join Temu affiliate, refer others and earn. Remember, Temu is now functional in over 50 countries. So if you are a YouTuber and you are even not yet monetized, and you are thinking of how to make money, you can start Temu affiliate marketing. YouTube gives you the opportunity or the access or the platforms to reach out to thousands and millions of people from all across the globe. So why not join Temu affiliate today? Go through their stuff. You can earn points from reviewing. You can earn points for sharing products. You can earn points bringing in new affiliates. You can also earn points for shopping. There you have it, guys. 10 laziest ways to make money in 2024 and beyond. Which of these ideas would you be trying out? Please let me know in the comment section. And also remember to watch the related video on book publishing, how to publish your very first book, and also added a playlist on making money online, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit this subscribe button. Turn on your notifications. Let's win together.